How to remove the background from a photo on iPhone. Looking for a quick and easy way to remove the background from a photo on your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove the background and keep only the main subject. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the picture you want to edit. For this example, I'm using a picture of SpongeBob sitting on a bed. The goal is to separate SpongeBob from the background, including the wall, bed, and other objects around him. Once you open the photo, simply press and hold on SpongeBob, which is the main subject of the image. Your iPhone will automatically analyze the picture and highlight the subject. Once you see the outline around SpongeBob, it means your iPhone has successfully separated him from the background. Now, tap Share from the options that appear. From the Share menu, select Save Image. Your iPhone will then save a new image with the selected subject separated from the original background. You can go back to the Photos app and find the new image. From there, you can share it through AirDrop, Messages, email, or use it in another app. Keep in mind that the result depends on how clearly your iPhone can recognize the subject. Photos with a clear main subject usually give you better results. And that's how you can remove the background from a photo on your iPhone quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.